What's up, guys? It's K24 ITR back with a little video for you guys again. Today's an exciting day. What I'm going to be showing you guys today is a Circuit Hero billet steering wheel hub install, and that's for EG and Integra. And the other thing I'm going to be installing is actually a gift from my girlfriend, and it's a Spoon Generation 3 steering wheel. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys in this video, and then I'll be uploading a video a little bit after this one, installing the steering wheel and hub into the vehicle. So I actually already had both of these guys open. I opened the Spoon steering wheel on Christmas. I want to thank my girlfriend, give her a shout out for the best gift I've received in my whole life. I've been wanting the steering wheel for a while. I am replacing it with a JDM, I replaced my JDM ITR steering wheel for the Spoon one. I recently sold my JDM ITR one. The original one that's came from the Type R, the big ugly stock steering wheel, I do have still stored up in there, but I really don't like driving with that thing at all. So guys, I guess I'll start with the hub. So this is a Circuit Hero billet hub. I'm so excited to get this installed into my vehicle. It's a really beautiful piece. It's all billet. It will match my interior a little bit, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. So that's it there, guys. I'm not sure if the camera's in focus or not, but as you can see, Circuit Hero. It's a really nice piece, guys. It's gonna look awesome in my car. So what comes in the box is not a lot. It actually comes with instructions. But it also includes a Circuit Hero logo and all the bolts to bolt your steering wheel onto the hub. I'm not sure what this is right here. It's probably to do with the horn or something like that. I don't really care if my horn's working or not. But let's move on to the steering wheel now, guys. So excited about that. Okay, guys, there she is right there. I did have her in a little showcase in my living room, so it is a little bit dusty at the moment. Thanks again to my girlfriend for getting that for me. Love you. And let's get her a little clean. Alright, so there's the hub, guys. Sorry, the horn button. It's really nice. I can't wait to get it installed into the car. So it's gonna look something like that, guys. Don't know if you guys can see it too well. But it will be going into the car very shortly. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this vehicle, if you like the unboxing of the parts I'm about to install. I thought that maybe I should do the unboxing and the install in a separate video. Some people probably will say that I should have did it in one video, but either way, there'll be two videos. The unboxing here and the installation will come next, guys. So please, I want to stop and tell you guys to please subscribe to me and give me a like and comment. It's all free, guys. You guys don't pay anything for giving me a subscription. I'm on the road to 1,000, so please help me out if you can. Thank you, guys.